Start with a blank presentation in PowerPoint. Add a picture that suits your project. I'm going to add a sunset picture. Go to Insert and click Shapes. Choose a rectangle and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Format and change the outline to No Outline, and choose your desired color for the shape. I'm going to set it to a light orange color. Insert a text box. For the font, I will choose Barlow Condensed Extra Bold and make the size 180. Place the text in the middle and center by going to Arrange and then Align. Now select the rectangle first and press Shift on your keyboard to select the text. Go to Shape Format and hover over Merge Shapes and select Subtract. Duplicate the slide. In the second slide, zoom out to the maximum and select the shape. Hold Ctrl and Shift on your keyboard and expand the shape until the image fits in without any part of the shape obscuring it. You may have to drag and move the shape to place the image nicely in the gaps. Select the second slide, go to Transitions and choose Morph. Now our presentation is complete. This is how it looks.